The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic has made us realize the importance of functional and responsive healthcare system to the learnings we experienced while facing the challenges that came with this virus. Let us take heed to those lessons so that we can serve our people better. Andito na ako sa second page. To this end, I encourage our healthcare workers to remain steadfast in your noble task of promoting our people's health and saving lives. Your efforts, especially in the past 2 years, have truly been heroic. For this, you have the full support and the eternal gratitude of the Filipino people. Ako man, salamat. Before I forget, salamat sa tulong ninyo sa gobyerno, tayo nagtulungan to fight COVID-19. Sa awa ng Diyos, at the start, hindi nga natin malaman kung saan tayo.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.